Alrighty guys, hello, this is going to be another update on the germination video that I just came out with. I don't know if you remember the previous video on the green beans. They're ready for transplanting. As you can see, we're going to be developing on the roots. Now you can see that they're getting mature because these roots right now are getting a little bit darker. So now it's indicating that now these little shoots are going to produce flower. So now, what I was discussing about nitrogen is we're going to be putting this in nitrogen-rich fertilizer. All right, and like I said, this fertilizer is conditioned already, nice and aerated. All right, we don't need that much perlite, but we're going to be transplanting these now. Do not touch the roots with your fingers. You don't want to transmit diseases from us to the plant, so you gently take it out. And you coast it inside. Now they do best when you put two of them in at the same time. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, look at the furriness. Great root development. And then we cover like so with dirt. So you see I went on the sides and I crimped it because I did the holes. So that's just another technique to do. And you expose both of them. And then I'll go outside, I'll fully water this. How you want to water this is water it till you'll see the water fall out from the bottom. That's how you know you properly sold your water. And that should last you about a good week maybe. And then you're going to start doing it again. So I'm going to do it again over here for you one more time. You take the root, you tap it down once, you see the little shoot? We call those shoots. You take the nice strongest ones. We're going to plant 3 in here. We're going to get, well, yeah, let's go crazy here. Let's do an experiment. That's why we do this channel here. I'm always learning on different ways to properly and, you know, grow stuff in. So why not grow 4 in one, maybe this is like a 5-gallon pot. We're gonna go crazy here. That's a deep root. That's a deep root. Look at the root development. I mean, and this is solely from the paper towel method, as you can see here. So already I'm having great root development from the paper towel method. So this is going to grow pretty strong when I'm done growing this. And I'll be coming up with an update as well on the garden. That's going to be on my Facebook channel. So yet again, I'll post that up on the YouTube. So this is how you properly transplant your seedlings. And as you can see, we have the peppers, nice little shoots. We're going to put these into a pot as well because these are peppers. So have a good day, guys.